Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix VRChat getting stuck on the loading screen on your PC. Follow along step by step and we'll get you back into the game. Step 1. Open your Start menu and type Run. In the Run box, type temp and press Enter. Delete everything in this folder. If you see a folder access denied message, just check. Do this for all current items and click Skip. Now repeat the process. Open Run again. Type temp and press Enter. Delete all the files here as well. Again, if you get warnings, just press Skip. This clears out old cache and temporary files that might be blocking VRChat. Step 2. Open Steam and go to your library. Find VRChat, right-click it, and select Properties. Under Launch Options, paste the code I've left in the video description. This code helps optimize how VRChat starts up. Step 3. Still in Properties, click on Installed Files. Then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Step 4. If VRChat still doesn't work, right-click VRChat in your library, go to Properties, then click Installed Files, and select Browse Local Files. Find launch.exe, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Relaunch VRChat. If it's still not launching, uninstall VRChat from Steam, and then reinstall it fresh. This often fixes stubborn issues. And that's it. By clearing temp files, setting launch options, verifying your game, and adjusting compatibility mode, you should be able to fix VRChat stuck in the loading screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment.